Hello student, once again welcome back in Krishna classes. Today I am gonna tell about the laws of chemical combination. This topic is related from chapter 3 of class 9th. What is the introduction of this chapter? I described in very detail in my previous video. So for the knowledge of introduction, you have to watch previous video which is available on my channel Krishna classes. And I covered also chapter 1, 2 and chapter 8 motions, all topics. So for detailed knowledge of that chapters, you have to watch my channel Krishna classes and hit the like button. So first subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start the today's class. What is the today's class? Laws of chemical combination. This law was established by Antoine L. Loiser. This is the name of the scientist, named Antoine L. Loiser, who established the law of chemical combination. So this law was further divided into two categories: law of conservation of mass and law of constant proportion. So here this is the experiment given, this is the picture of experiment given which described the law of conservation of mass. What happened here? Here is this is the red line flask is the conical flask. What is this? This is the conical flask. And here cork has given, and this is the thread, and this is the small ignition tube which is hang from thread, and this is the solution of X. In ignition tube, solution of X is filled, and in conical flask, solution of Y is filled. What is the solution of X? When we take copper sulfate at the position of X, then here what is the Y? Sodium carbonate. When we take X as a barium chloride, then Y is become a sodium sulfate. It means copper sulfate combined with or react with sodium carbonate, and barium chloride react with sodium sulfate. So these are the solutions X and Y. X is filled in ignition tube and Y is filled in conical flask. Look at here, solution of Y is filled in conical flask, here Y, and solution of X is filled in ignition tube. When X is copper sulfate, then Y is sodium carbonate. When X is barium chloride, then Y is sodium sulfate. So these are the experiment. What is this figure said? This figure said about the ignition tube containing solution of X here, which are dipped in a conical flask. You can see very easily solution of X dipped in conical flask containing solution of Y. It means Y, you can take Y as a Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. On that time X is copper sulfate. It means here is copper sulfate. When you have to take barium chloride, on that time you have to take sodium sulfate as a Y. So this is the ignition tube containing solution of X and Y. What it explained about the law of conservation of mass. Here when reaction occurred between copper sulfate and sodium carbonate, then mass neither be created nor be destroyed. This is the state of law of conservation of mass. It means mass is definite in whole process. It means mass is fixed in whole process. So mass is neither be created nor be destroyed. It will fix in all over the reaction. So this is the law of conservation of mass. You can understand with the help of this picture. Cork. Why we put the cork? When we put the cork, there is no loss of any reactant. Okay. So this is by this activity you can understand very easily mass neither can create it nor can destroy. Okay, so this is the law of conservation of mass. This is the picture. Hope you understand this topic very well. What is the today's class? I repeat again, what is the today's class? Law of chemical combination given by and Toine L. Loiser. Further divided into law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportion. Here two solutions have given. When we take copper sulfate as X, then we have to take sodium carbonate as Y. When we can take barium chloride as X, on that time we have to take sodium sulfate as Y. Here conical flask, we have to take conical flask, and here Y solutions of Y is filled in conical flask and solution of X filled in ignition tube. Cork is put on just upper side of the conical flask, and that's so conservation of mass neither be created nor be destroyed. This is the state of this law. So this is the today's class. Hope you understand all topics very well. This is very simple and understanding. You can take a screenshot and write your notebook whatever you want for your memory. So thank you so much for watching. Please press the like button, share to your friend and subscribe to my channel Krishna Classes. Thank you.